welcome. This is Ben from Ben's Fixados. Today I'm replacing the air compressor for the 2003 GMC Yukon Denali 6.0. So this is the new one, and also I noticed, no, sorry, this is the old one. So I noticed this is it was cut off, but when I bought this thing, he told me nothing wrong with the compressor. It's just the air shock, the shock that needs to be replaced. But when I tried to install this thing, and it wasn't working, so there's no air coming out. And even I replaced the fuse for this one, but it's not working either. So I have my brand new compressor, this one here. See, it's brand new. So I bought this around $180, so including the some harness there. See, brand new one. This one is for 2007 and above harness. This is the one that I need. This is for until 2006 GMC. It's round. This one is more of a rectangle or something. So, and it's not bad. Some of them are over $200, but $180 I will try this thing. Hopefully it's not gonna be noisy. But by the way, and I try and I remove the tire, so it's easier for you to do it. For me, I had to remove the tires. It's easy, and also you can see this is brand new. I just installed last week. So like I said, this one I noticed it was busted, but actually I have a new one anyway, so I don't need that old one. And also you can see it's pretty old, pretty old. And also the bolt, the size of millimeter that you need to remove. See, I remove this nut from this one in order for you to remove this thing. So this is 14 millimeter. I use 14 millimeter, and there are 3 of them. So the other one is part of this one right here. This is the one here. So this is the one that you need to get in, but it's inside. So it's right here. It's inside here. There's a hole. So what you do, you need a long socket to remove it. See now, hopefully I remove it already. Hopefully, but not yet. And so as you can see, it's very old, and you can see a lot of rust. See, I already removed the nuts here, so I got 3 nuts. So all I have to do is to I was able to remove the bolts from here, right there, and unhook this harness. Go like that, and then just press this thing down. I was able to install the brand new compressor, and this thing was busted. Remember the previous one was what I did, I just attach it with this is what I did. This one I attached it, and hopefully that will work. And I just have to tighten up this bolt here.